So this is really easy to make, and we're going to show you how to make it. And it's also really healthy and very filling, perfect for traveling. That's the reason that we're going to show you how to make it, because it's something that we're using to eat right before we go skiing. It can fill us up, help us feel energized. Wasn't hard to make at all. And so here we go. We're going to show you how to make it.
Now we're going to show you how to eat it.
Ah, this is good.
Hey, and welcome back to another episode of
What to do.
What to Do. We are at Kelly's Cooking Show.
That's right. And we're going to show you a great breakfast you can make before your adventure so it doesn't take up time on your adventure.
So we use this on our ski trip, which is going to be our next video, so make sure you're keeping your eyes out for that one next week, just saying. Okay, so really you can make this any way you want, but you have to make your base first. So we're going to show you how to make your base right now! Okay, so you start with an old recycled jar. This one's probably from pasta sauce. Add 1/3 cup of old-fashioned oats, 1/2 cup of milk. If you're lactose intolerant, you can use Lactaid. 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. This one's optional. I just like the flavor that it brings. And the recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of either honey or maple syrup, but I add more because I have a sweet tooth. And just a dash of vanilla. Then put the lid on, give it a good shake, and you're ready for the toppings. Okay, now that we have our base, we're ready to make the fun part. You can use nuts, you can use chocolate, you can use peanut butter, vanilla, and my favorite, fruit.
What is it for you?
I like flaxseed and chia seed, but make sure you shake it in there before you put any of the fruits in, because and before you refrigerate it, because it might stick together. So, if you're gonna use these, shake them in first.
Yeah. And I don't like them because they're healthy. I'm gonna do, well, I already did a wild berry thing, so I already did something wrong.
Mine tastes like salsa. Oh, gross. So make sure you wash your cups before you do this.
Thoroughly.
This one tastes like salsa, but
recycling is
for
good.
the show, we'll just finish this one up. Also, just so you guys know, I put the recipe plus some topping suggestions that taste good together or are healthy down in the description box below. And while you're watching us make this, if you like this video, click that like button and subscribe button, and that'll help us out a ton. Well, I'm done. That was super fast. That's how fast it is, by the way, once you make the base. Super fast. Just throw in the things that you want. Will's kind of more slow.
And every time you can make it different. You can mix it up, you can have fun, play with it.
Yeah, there's a lot of variety.
Jar.
So this is kind of what it looks like done. It looks disgusting, but I promise you it tastes amazing. Can you see that?
You might want to...
That's what it looks like. It just tastes like raspberry lemon. And it tastes like ice cream or something because I put vanilla in. Oh, boy, more sour.
You're a good salesperson. I'm gonna show you how to. It's delicious.
I just had a really sour berry.
Oh, it's not there. Oh! Okay.
He didn't make it.
You want to see someone open a jar with one hand? Are you showing me?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to show me. I said film this and then this.
Okay, try again.
You want to see someone open a jar with one hand? Yeah, you can even hear it. I did it the first time. I was like...
You gonna wash
Okay,
your
there we go.
hands?
There we go. Ready? You want to see someone open a jar with one hand? There we go.